The merging of the Internet of Things, IoT, and digital currencies represents a convergence of two transformative technologies, creating new opportunities and challenges across various sectors. Here's how these two emerging worlds are coming together. Automated payments and transactions. Smart contracts. IoT devices can use blockchain-based smart contracts to automate transactions without human intervention. For example, a smart fridge could automatically order and pay for groceries using digital currency when supplies run low. Micropayments. IoT devices can handle small transactions efficiently using digital currencies, facilitating new business models such as pay-per-use services for smart appliances or connected vehicles. Enhanced security and transparency. Secure data transmission. Blockchain technology provides a secure and immutable ledger for IoT device data, ensuring data integrity and preventing tampering. Transparent auditing. Digital currencies enable transparent and traceable transactions, which can be used to audit IoT device interactions and financial flows in real time.